I'm Michelle from Legal Suite, and this is part 12 of the address book, the document log, creating a user-defined report. Right, so let's go into the address book and into the document log for a specific matter. And in this case, I'm going to use my party ABC1, and I'm going to go into the document log. And from here, we are going to create a user-defined report. Now this effectively will allow you to extract information from the document log into a report format. I like to put my reports into Excel because they can be manipulated and adjusted in Excel after the fact, but you do have some options which I will show you. Right, so in the document log for my party, click on the user definable report icon and you will see we have a document log report. Now you can manipulate this, you can change it, you can put a date on it, you can call it pretty much anything you'd like to. And destination, this is where the report is going to end up. So you can either create it as a Word document, in a PDF, or in Excel. And as I mentioned, I do prefer Excel because it's easy to customize. Right, now in the body, these are the various categories or columns that will appear in the report. So I would like the date of the document, the description of the document, and the direction of the document. Is it incoming? Is it outgoing? Was it created in Legal Suite? Was it brought in from outside? And I would like the employee name, the person who either created it or dragged and dropped it. Right, so your other little options here are custom fields. So this you could insert a customized data extraction, and you could have a chat to the ladies at our office about that for custom reports. And at the report options, you can give it a subheading, you can sort the report by various criteria, and you can manipulate your font size. Here you can also print in landscape, which I'm going to do. That will just tilt your A4 page sideways and allow more columns onto the page for you. Right, so you can save this particular report. So next time you come into the reports user definable report setting, it will have saved your report for you, and you would then just be able to load. So for the purposes of this, I'm going to say print, and the program is now garnering all the information I need, and as you can see, it is creating a report in Excel, which will then pop onto my taskbar at the bottom. Right, so let's open it up, let's expand it, and there we have my Excel report. So I'm just going to manipulate my columns a little bit, and as you can see, it's incredibly easy to manipulate in Outlook. Right, so there I have my report. So by date, by description, whether it was incoming or outgoing, and who the user who attended to this was. Right, and again, by filtering your columns, you can have various outcomes. It's currently filtered by chronological date order, but if you wanted to filter, say, by employee, you could then use the word sorting feature and adjust. Right, so the program has now sorted by Michelle Bentley, employee first, and on to the others. And as I mentioned, you could use Outlook's features for inserting column lines and so on and so forth. Right, so that is our user definable report from the document log, and you would need to go file, save as, and save this report into a specific place should you wish to keep it.